from the stalk. The combine eats the stalk, and then you get to the ear of the corn, and it pulls all the kernels off the ear and throws all that out the back, and then the kernels stay, and it goes into the, I don't know the technical term for it, but we call it a hopper. It goes into the hopper on top of the combine, and then the combine has a little light on it that lights up and flashes when it's full, and then I drive underneath the combine. Has an auger, it augers out the corn kernels into my buggy. We call it a buggy, some people call it a grain cart, they're wrong. And then once my buggy is full, I take it to the truck, where I auger it into the truck, and then the truck goes to the bins. And we have a floor pit, so then he dumps in there. And then that gets elevated into like those big round bins. We cleaned one out earlier this year. You can go back to my videos and find that. And then we just do that over and over and over and over and over for hours and hours until our corn's picked. It's thrilling stuff. Just riveting. If you're wondering how I learned to drive the grain cart, I've been driving the grain cart for 2 years. It took my dad and my cousin Emily here teaching me like the controls, what to do, where to drive, how to be. And it also took my friend Grant from North Dakota to call me on the phone and tell me what I was doing wrong. So shout out to Grant, great guy that Grant. It's actually not a bad job once you figure out how to do it. While you learn though, it's kind of hard. Everyone's a little bit mean to you when you learn how to drive a grain cart.